Renault Australia is set to introduce an all-new SUV to its portfolio in the second half of 2021. It's the Arkana, a mid-sized coupe-style model that will offer a budget alternative to the likes of the BMW X4 and Mercedes GLC Coupe. The Renault Arkana is described by the company's local arm as being a segment-breaking SUV in terms of its design and style. And because it's built on a new platform, it will introduce new technology, safety and interior tech to the Renault stable in Australia. Plus, in an added coup for the company, the Arkana is set to be built in Busan, South Korea, alongside the Koleos, meaning shorter lead times than its European-sourced products and potentially lower pricing than you'd otherwise get thanks to the free trade agreement between Australia and that country. In Korea, the Arkana is sold under the Renault Samsung brand, labelled the XM3. Full details, including pricing, specifications and interior features, are still to be confirmed, but there's a chance we'll see a warmed-up version of the Arkana, an RS line model, as the brand's local team is keen for that car here. If there's any sad news to be drawn from this announcement, it's that the Renault Kadjar will be axed to make way for the Arkana when it arrives in the second half of 2021. The Kadjar was a late arrival to Australia, and despite playing in one of the most sought-after segments of the market, it hasn't had much of an impact. Stay tuned for more details and news on the Renault Arkana as it comes to hand. But in the meantime, be sure to let us know in the comments section if you're excited to see this all-new model launching in Australia. Don't forget to subscribe too.